Lesson 65, Proportions with Mixed Numbers and Using Proportions with Similar Triangles. Remember, a proportion is when we have a fraction compared to another fraction, or a ratio compared to another ratio. And the way we solve this is by cross-multiplying. Now, we've learned this before. The only difference now is that we're going to have mixed numbers, like here and here. What I do want you to remember is that when you look at these exercises, make sure you see where is the fractional line. Like for example here. In the book, you can only see a little bit darker, but when you write it in your notebook, you can do it longer so that it's very clear. So the first step is pass everything to improper fraction. To pass 2 and 1/5 to improper fraction, we multiply 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11/5. And to pass 1 and 3/4, we multiply 1 times 4, plus 3 is 7/4. Now we're going to cross multiply, so we multiply those two and divide. So we write it all there, remember. X equals 4/9 times 7/4 divided by 11/5. But remember, before you do anything, do 4/9 times 7/4 and times 5/11 because it's the reciprocal of 11/5. Before we do anything else, we reduce or simplify. In this case, I can cancel the 4s. And there's nothing else in this example, so we just multiply top and bottom. 7 times 5 is 35 on the top, and 9 times 11 is 99. And that's our answer. On the second part of this lesson, we have similar triangles. Remember, similar triangles have the same shape but different sizes. And they ask to find x and y. For that, we're going to use proportions. So we have to first see what are the corresponding sides. Remember, we look at the angles. This angle that has only one mark is opposite to 4, so I'm going to put 4. And then this angle that is only one mark is opposite to x, so I'll put 4/x. Then the one that has two lines is 2. And in this case, the one opposite to 2 lines is 3. And finally, the one opposite to 3 lines is 5. And the one opposite here to 3 lines is y. Now we're going to use the 2/3 to simplify both of them. So we'll first start with 4/x equals 2/3. It is 4 times 3 divided by 2. Remember, 4 times 3 divided by 2. And if we simplify that, that's going to be 6. Then we're going to use again the 2/3, but now we're going to use the other ratio, 5/y. And again, we do cross multiplication, 5 times 3 divided by 2. And in this case, we can now simplify, so the answer is 15/2 or 7.5. And that's it. That is this lesson. Very, very simple. If you have any questions, let me know. Go do some practice, and I'll see you in the next lesson.